Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 19th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir did not hold the $9. So we are down 64 cents, 6.99%. Closed at 851. Post market, we are up by 2 cents, but who cares? So we have big red candle with almost no wick at the bottom here. So this was a straight move down. The sellers just went in and the buyers were almost nowhere to be seen. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so the first hour of the day, so we opened at $9. We have it here at $9 and we just shut down during the first hour. Second hour, it continued. And then we stabilized a little bit around 850. Yeah, this is just a small consolation price. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. As we had seen, we did not have stochastic, and stochastic is now at 0.96, extremely low. Everything is in the tank. Everything is in the tank. So I am just sorry, but we could be resting on 850 or 750. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to talk on Sunday, looking at the weekly chart for Tesla, Palantir, the VIX, and the indices. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.